What do you get when you have one banana and 3 straws?
Well,
a little some uncomfortable silence.
So you want to make drinks like this at home? Of course you do. So pick up the home bartender starter kit at shop.awesomedrinks.com. Comes with everything you need, including free shipping. Welcome to Common Cocktails. It's banana daiquiri time.
Daiquiri time.
Ian, Dan, and Derek gonna make you a daiquiri.
Who doesn't love a daiquiri? Boom!
Who doesn't love a frozen daiquiri?
Oh, frozen daiquiri.
Yeah.
It is summertime. It's hot as balls.
Yep.
And you need something to drink.
Yep. And it's got bananas.
Boom.
Now you're supposed
And
to
it's
use
good for you.
really good ripe bananas.
Yeah.
I don't have.
This looks perfect.
That was the best I could get.
This
Those
looks
Chiquita.
perfect. Chiquita knows
You
what
know
she's doing.
what's weird, and I don't know why this is, and like I feel like there should be a special section. If you go and you get avocados, right? There's always like at least 2 different versions. Like eat
Right
it today,
now,
eat it
right
like
later.
a week,
Yeah.
right? And
Yeah.
then there's in between. With bananas, every time I go there, they're all fucking green. Like, do I not show up at the right time?
Yeah, you show up late.
Yeah,
You got to get there early. You get there early, then there's the
I want
I
the
gotta eat it.
brown
I gotta
ones.
eat it within like 2 days.
Yeah,
And then there's the like these are good,
yeah.
but they'll get better. And then there's the green ones.
That
You
are
get
like
there too
full
late.
green.
When
Like,
they're full green,
at least there was.
You gotta
This
get
was
there
the
on
best.
produce day.
I don't know what that means.
When they get their produce day.
I don't know when they. Do I have to ask them?
sometimes
I
like
ask. I think it's Tuesday at Hannaford's.
Hmm.
But yeah, if you ask, they'll tell you when their food comes
but past like
because it's
11 o'clock at the supermarket, they're gonna be all green on a weekend.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't like.
Or you have to buy the organic ones, and then you're like,
Why? What do you? What?
Now you
What-
guys
what's
have to drink
happening?
this now.
Why did you
Let that
just?
going through your mind?
And now you're gonna blend it up with a blade.
Yeah.
faster.
It's like, am I going the
Faster.
wrong way?
I could probably
Let's use the
this.
machine.
Yeah.
I could probably use this. You think there's enough ice in it? I guess I'll find out.
Yeah, do we
If
need
it's
more
too
ice?
watery, then we'll just
We can add
unwater
more.
it. Yeah.
I think we might need more. Did you put a cup in there?
I gotta plug it in.
That shit's not working.
Well,
I'll say it too. You got to plug it in.
hold on. Well, I have to unplug my computer to get the best plug over here, and the computer takes a big plug.
Now just pretend there's a pool in front of us.
Your
Want
drink
more
is
ice?
ready, sir.
Jen's walking up to the pool bar.
Probably.
We need more ice.
Yeah. Do you want
Yeah.
You gotta fill out that fucking glass.
Yeah, it needs more ice.
More ice. Come on.
It's
Oh,
got smoke coming out of it. Definitely too hot.
maybe throw strawberry in there. I like strawberry banana.
No,
that's
that-
good.
Now you gotta throw some chocolate sauce. So you
Oh,
make it monkey.
that's a
Ooh,
dirty,
Dirty monkey. That is a dirty monkey.
Unless
Yeah, I
we
think you want a
confuse
little
with grass
glue, too,
monkey
right?
because that's a funky monkey.
What? I have the vinyl. Oh yeah!
There you go.
No, you need to do a little bit more. No.
It's
Yeah.
expanding as you're aerating it.
That good?
That's good.
We'll find out. Or you want to pour it over here?
Yeah. We'll put this in over
You want
here.
me to pour it over here?
Yeah, it's your
Use
job.
HD.
Okay.
I'm not here to do anything.
Look at that consistency.
We
That's
definitely
right.
need a straw.
That's a great consistency, Derek.
We need a straw.
See? That's a good
That's
consistency.
a
Ooh,
good
look at that.
too. Look at that.
Boom. God damn it. You're going to be working in the Caribbean in like
Tomorrow.
That's what I'm gonna do when I
Two
retire.
of them here.
That's a good.
after I retire.
That's a good shot, right?
No, that's too short.
I recognize that.
Yeah.
I'm
Trying
taking
to figure
together.
out how
It'll be
to
fine.
remedy this. Look, we could do.
What's wrong with the glass ones?
I don't know. They might be. These are right. Look, we got 3 of them in
Oh,
there.
Jesus.
Party time.
Oh, party time.
Thanks, world.
All right, you ready?
Where are all my tall fucking plastic straws though?
Where'd you go? Get over here. We're about to have Caribbean party fun.
Right.
Get in here.
Yes, sir.
Just imagine.
Ready for fun, sir.
You can hear the waves. Get in here.
That's a lot harder to do in a straw like that. You know what? That still got some freaking balls to it. I thought it was going to be like all banana, but
No,
I actually
It's
taste
not
rum.
as sweet as I was thinking it would be.
I thought it'd be sweeter too.
Yeah. Which is not terrible.
You know what? If the banana was like one of those brown ones, like almost
I don't really forgot.
time to throw it out.
Oh, I mean, that would make it.
That's another drink.
This is like all natural.
Yeah, that's like a natural banana.
It's like a natural banana daiquiri.
This is a real banana daiquiri. You put coconut cream in
Yeah,
there.
I don't know. I might need a Miami Vice or something.
That's
I might put a little bit of 99 bananas in that, just to give it a little bit more banana flavor.
we don't have any 99 bananas, but
Mm.
I did buy that banana before.
Then I put some of that in there.
You don't have we made a drink with it before.
Yeah,
No,
we have drinking.
He's
my
out.
son was here.
Oh, that's right. I remember getting it at the pool too. What is
Yeah.
that?
It's arrow crumb.
It's just we wanted. I was going for one that wasn't like so fucking on fire. You know, like
Let me
99
taste
very
It's
this.
a little
strong.
banana.
Look, it's banana
Hold on.
liqueur, bro. It better be banana-y.
Mm.
Well,
See
now
what
it's a
happens.
banana floater.
It's more like kind of vanilla.
What?
I mean,
But it's banana. I've never had it. I mean,
I don't know if I put enough in there.
it's gone already. You probably didn't put enough in there. Does it taste like bananas? Or some goslings. The beauty about
Do you
daiquiri.
not like the drink?
It's not terrible. It's just like it's
just
just a little
kinda-
bland.
it tastes like a banana daiquiri.
Yeah.
Go figure.
It tastes
No,
exact-
but it's not like what
Well,
you want. Like
a daiquiri is by nature pretty much boring.
It's
a
Right?
sour.
It's
It's a
it's
very
like
straight up sour.
limonade,
hmm.
right? It's an alcoholic limonade.
I don't know if that helps. Maybe a little bit.
Oh no, I think it did. It made it a little bit
A little
sweeter.
Okay.
You can, if you had a better, like a riper banana, you'll get a little bit more banana out of it. Like it'll be more sweetness out
I
of
don't
it.
think I've ever had like
It's
a
more
banana
chemically now,
daiquiri.
though.
No,
It
It definitely tastes like fresh.
you know what your
like-
problem is?
yeah.
You look at this and you're thinking it's a pina colada,
That's true.
and a pina
you know
colada is
what?
fucking sweet, right? So
Yeah,
you're gonna
you're not
get
wrong.
you're gonna get more sweetness out of that. This is more closely related to, like this is more of like a standard, almost a tiki cocktail in like its flavor profile.
I don't
It
hate
doesn't
it,
have the
though.
sour or the bitter.
Yeah, I don't hate it.
I think adding a little bit of the banana stuff.
You could add banana, you
made
could
it
add
a little
simple
bit
syrup.
better, but I don't hate it.
I think 99 bananas is slightly better because it tastes more like the fake
The
like
runts.
the
Yeah.
runts, and it's going to give you a little bit more
You
potency.
know what it might have been better is actually a darker rum.
That's what I said. Goslings.
Yeah,
Throw goslings in there. Give it depth. Oh god.
I think that might have made it.
You could go with some Kraken, some goslings, some Myerses, like
Okay,
No,
we'll stay with
Myers
Myers.
is
yeah,
You
not
guys don't.
sweet.
You guys don't like Myers.
some more goslings. We
I don't
drink a lot
mind
of
Myers.
goslings around here.
The other guys. The other you guys in the room.
Ah!
I don't know. Now there's all sorts of stuff in
Yeah,
here.
We've
Yeah.
changed this drink a little
It's
bit.
Jen, I
Sword
hope you, I hope you,
fight.
I hope you didn't want to try it all natural because it just ain't it anymore.
It's well, if you can imagine what a banana tastes like with a little rum punch to it, that's a banana daiquiri.
If you can imagine what a little banana tastes like, which I think you can.
Jen certainly can.
Just imagine now, dude.
That's back to dad talk.
This has now this tastes more like an island drink now with the goslings.
Tiki
With
needs
the black
some
strap.
kick to it, right?
Like it's got that.
I didn't get it because I was a little bottom.
The black strap gives it potency taste. Like it might not be like it's not boozy, but you could taste
Yeah.
like the barrel, like the char.
I mean, you're right. Like the first sips, it tastes
Where'd
like
you
a
get this
daiquiri
from?
blended with a banana.
Where'd you get the recipe from? Was it a submission or
No, I don't think
a
so.
book?
I think I got it from me.
Okay.
Actually, I think it did. I think that was.
He
the
was like,
source.
"What do you do with a daiquiri if you add a banana to it?"
Did you use AI?
No.
Oh, okay.
Well, I use AI to
AI
compile the
slop.
list,
Yeah, slop.
but
Did you low key use AI?
I used AI to build the list.
I can use AI.
For real? For real?
But I use Claude Code because it's so much better than the others. Now I can actually have it source the material, give me the source material, and then show me the place where it got it.
Nice.
And it's like the source material for this recipe was me.
Oh, okay.
Well, because I gave it 10 years of my uploads as like all the stats from YouTube, so that it would build me drinks that have views. Otherwise, what's the point?
You trained it on your content.
And I said, all right, here's my content. What haven't I done in a while?
And your content that
that performs.
Yeah.
And then it also pulls like from Differ's Guide, liquor.com, IB. I think one of the drinks was from the IBA. But they all had actual qualified lead. And there were a couple of them that were like from like mommy blogger sites.
Yeah.
And I was like, well, that's still pretty good.
I think the original recipe almost serves as a good base.
Yeah.
And then you can start tweaking.
Which is what a daiquiri is.
You can add your coconut, you can add your chocolate, you can add some different rums and stuff.
And you end up that's like you have a strawberry daiquiri. You can
if you really like
everything.
banana and you like a more natural tasting drink.
Yeah.
It doesn't have the sweetness of the strawberry.
Yeah, then that's like that at its base was good.
And then you from there turn it into your Frankenstein monster, which now has like
Then you can sweeten it
dark
up.
rums and
Banana liqueur and 3 straws.
of unknown quantities.
3 straws.
3 straws, 1 cup. I don't know. So
Jen gets to pick whatever straw she wants to use.
And she doesn't know which one's which now. Throw them all on the ground and suck out of the cup like a real grown up.
yeah, this is called the herpes daiquiri. So there you go. Source. I think though the original source that it sourced it for me, but I think my original source was probably Beach Bum Berry or something from a tiki book, because it would be your base drink that you would get. Like you'd just be assumed. It's like a banana daiquiri, strawberry daiquiri. Then I guess you go down the crazy list of like mudslides.
Have your standard daiquiri.
Yeah,
Piña frozens, right?
Yeah, all your frozen. Get your frozens. That's it, my friends. Link below for the Awesome Drinks Bartender Starter Kit. And that's it. I said that already. So we're teaching you how to drink.